Hi everyone, this is Mrs. Richardson. I just want to show you guys quickly how to make a fast brochure. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go to your Microsoft 365. You're going to go to your new Word document. If you want just a blank one, this is where you could go. But today, what we're going to do is I'm going to click on More Templates. And I only have two that I see. I have this travel brochure. And then I also see a business brochure. I'm actually going to just be choosing this one just because it looks a little more plain. Which looks just like this. So in order to change your name, you could double click on it. And we could name it, maybe I'll do it on colonoscopy. And then if it's too big, you go highlight it again. So double click on it. And then this little pop-up should pop up. And what you want to do is just kind of put the little drop-down box. And then I'll just make it a little bit smaller. So right now it's at 36. So let me see what will happen if I go down to 28. Okay, that's not bad. And then right here at the bottom, this is where you could even just, like I said, double click. I'm just gonna put my name. So I'm gonna put by, because this is who's creating it. And then my name. I just could put Mrs. Art. And then right here, I don't like to just leave it, I'm just gonna, if I double click on it, just issue a highlight. What I'm going to do is I'm going to actually backspace it. So if you go to your keyboard, you backspace, and it's actually going to delete it from your screen. What I want to add there is, I want to add a picture. Because if I'm doing a brochure mostly in our medical assistant class, I want to make sure that we know and your patient know what you're talking about when they first see it. So if you see right on the top, right over here, you said insert. You're gonna click on that. You're gonna see where it says picture. You're gonna click the little drop down. Right here where it says Bing, I'm just gonna click on it. That's basically your internet. And I'm just gonna type in colonoscopy. And then enter when you're done. And this shows me a bunch of different pictures. What a colonoscopy is. I'm actually going to choose this just because I like how it looks. It's telling me right away what it is, what are they looking at. So it's a very good image for this. To make it bigger, you see how you see those little circles around this? We want to just kind of drag it out and make it as big as you want. And if you want to make sure that it's right in the middle of your page, what you could do is, we go back to home. You see this little drop down right here? Just text alignment, and I'm gonna click on the one that says align center. Perfect. So now it's gonna be exactly in the middle. I think, to be honest, I think I want all of it to be right in the middle, like my name. I'm just gonna do it again, and my title as well. I just think it looks more fancy. It looks better to me. Okay. So that is basically gonna be my front page when I fold this. So it looks nice, it looks neat. Alrighty. Right over here in the company name, make up your name of your office. I'm gonna put Dr. Hold on 1 second. I'm trying to do this one-handed. Colin. Okay, we'll make up our own address. 1, 2, 3 Rani Street, city, okay, telephone number, fax, and email. You would just make sure that you add all of this in, okay? A logo name, absolutely. If you want to do a logo, sure. If you don't want to do a logo, you could just take that out. I'm fine with that. So as you can see right there, it even tells you what you should put in there. So this is a good place to briefly but effectively summarize your products or services. Sales copy is typically not included here. So basically what this means is I'm just going to put what a colonoscopy is. So give me 1 second, please. I'm just going to put it right there. You still can't see. Okay, so anyways, this is where I would put down what a colonoscopy is. Maybe I'll just put down like, what is it? Question mark. And then I will explain in here what it is. What does it entail? What is a colonoscopy? So a colonoscopy is a procedure that they're going to start at the rectum, right? They're going to go all the way up with a little camera, a little scope, and going to go all the way up. And you can even explain parts of the colon, okay? And it's going to stop right here at the end where it meets your small intestine. Okay, and you can just add a little more information over here. And you can make it like signs and symptoms of maybe some kind of like abdominal issues, treatments, recovery. And there you go. Same thing, in order for you to change your pictures, all you have to do is backspace, go back to your insert, go back to your pictures, and then same thing. Colonoscopy, I could put a picture. Okay, I can make it smaller if I want to by dragging it in. I can make it bigger. I can make it longer if I want to go down this way. We could change the font so we don't like blue. If you were to go right up here where it says A, scroll down, and let's say you wanted green. Look what happened. Now it's green. Let's say you don't like how it looks green. Maybe we want it back on red. Now it's red. Okay. So there you guys go. This is a quick tutorial on how to just change what you already have. Like I said, this is mostly for beginners. It's not for somebody that's advanced. Of course, I understand that we could change the background. You guys could really make it your own. But this is mostly just for somebody who's just barely starting off, have never created a brochure, and they would just want something for the class project, and we've never done this before. To change the sizes, you could, same thing, you could double click on something. Right over here, you have your sizes, so you can make them bigger. You could change them to bold, so they're very thick. Okay. You could change the way that they look to whatever you want. This is your project. I should not be seeing all of them the same. Alrighty? And here you go. This is how you guys will be doing your brochures. Like I said, this is for only beginners, somebody that has never done a brochure before. It should be pretty simple. And this will be done on Microsoft 365. It's already a set up template. So all you have to do is just kind of change the pictures and change the wording. Alrighty guys, have a good day. Bye.